Okay, so get this. Today's deep dive. We're talking AI. But not just any AI.
Yeah, man.
We're talking about the kind of AI that could fit in your pocket.
It's pretty wild, right? Like the future of AI, not in some giant server farm.
Exactly.
But like literally on your phone.
I know. And to break it all down, we're diving into this super cool technical report from Microsoft Research.
They've been doing some really interesting stuff.
They have. They've developed this new AI model called PHI 3, and it's kind of a big deal.
Oh, yeah, huge. Especially this PHI 3 Mini. What they managed to do, it's like, imagine an AI as powerful as what we're used to seeing, like those massive data centers, but tiny.
Okay, so when I first read that, I was like, wait, is this for real? Because it seems impossible, but then the report actually...
Yeah, no, the numbers check out.
shows it really works.
Yeah, right, like, it's not just hype. They actually tested this thing.
They did.
They put it through its paces.
And it's not just like, oh, it kind of works. It's good.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Like, shockingly good. On the MMLU, which is this, like, standardized test for AI.
Right.
PHI 3 Mini scored 69%.
I mean, that's amazing.
It's like acing a college exam.
Yeah.
But, like, the student is a piece of software that could fit on your phone.
That's what blows my mind about this stuff. Like, we talk about this in tech all the time, but this is like next level.
Yeah.
How is this even possible? Was it just a matter of shrinking down existing AI?
Well, that's the thing. It's not. Because people have tried that before, you know, making smaller models, and you hit these limits, right?
Right.
Like, they get smaller but dumber.
Exactly.
But PHI 3, it's like they completely rethought how to train AI.
So what did they do? What was different?
It all comes down to data.
Okay.
But like really, really good data. The report talks about how they were super focused on the educational level of the data.
Educational level. Okay, what does that even mean when you're talking about AI?
Basically, it means they made sure the AI was only learning from the best stuff.
Yeah.
Information that was accurate, like actually true.
So no fake news for this AI.
Exactly. And not just true, but like useful too.
Yeah.
Broadly applicable stuff, you know, things that would actually help it learn how to think, not just memorize.
So instead of cramming its brain with every single fact in the universe?
Right. Which, let's be real, is kind of useless.
Yeah.
It's like they taught it how to learn.
Oh, okay. So it's less about brute force memorization. More about like strategic learning, being able to actually connect the dots.
Exactly. And to do that, get this, they used other AIs to create synthetic data and then use that to train PHI 3.
Wait, hold on. They used AI to train AI? That's like some next level stuff.
I know, right? It's wild. It's meta, right? Like AI inception.
Totally. So it's like giving a student like this super smart tutor.
Right, exactly.
Who knows exactly what to teach them and how to teach it.
And that's how they got it to be so efficient, so small, so powerful.
Okay, that makes sense. But this whole time we've been talking about PHI 3.
Yeah.
Like it's just one thing.
Right.
But in the report, it mentions like different versions of PHI 3.
Oh, yeah. They have a whole family of PHI 3 models.
Okay, so break that down for me.
So you got your PHI 3 Mini, which is the one we've been talking about. But they've also got PHI 3 Small, PHI 3 Medium, even more powerful.
Wow. Okay.
And then there's this really interesting one, PHI 3.5 MO.
MOE. What is that?
So MOE, that stands for Mixture of Experts.
Okay.
Basically, it's a way of making these AI models way more specialized without having to, like, blow them up in size.
Interesting. Okay.
It's like having a bunch of different experts, each with their own specialty, working together on a problem.
Oh, okay. I get it. So it's like instead of one giant AI brain trying to do it all.
Right.
It's more like a team of like specialized AI brains.
Exactly. And that specialization, that's what makes it so efficient and so good at what it does.
Fascinating. It's crazy to think like we're only just starting to figure out what AI can even do.
Oh, totally. This is just the beginning.
But going back to the small of it all, the report actually mentions running PHI 3 on an iPhone.
Yeah, isn't that wild?
Like, is that even possible?
It is. They tested it on an iPhone 14, and it could process information at 12 tokens per second.
Wait, so this is all happening on the phone itself?
All on the phone, totally offline.
Offline. Okay, now that changes everything.
Right.
No more waiting for responses from the cloud, no data privacy concerns. It's all right there in your pocket.
Exactly, your own personal AI.
So what do you see this being used for, like, practically?
Oh, man. The possibilities are huge. Imagine, like, offline translation, but you're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Or, like, real-time accessibility tools, but they just work instantly.
Wow.
Or even just AI assistants that are actually helpful and responsive because they're right there with you.
It's crazy to think about.
It's huge having that much AI power, but it's local. It's a game changer.
Yeah. But with many new technology, there's always like the flip side, right? What about the downsides?
Right.
The challenges. The report mentions some of those.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Like anything else, it's not all sunshine and roses, right? They're very upfront about in the report. Like, this is still early.
Yeah.
PHI 3 is amazing, but it's not perfect.
So what are some of the limitations?
Well, one of the big ones is just the size thing, right?
Yep.
It's so much smaller than these massive models. It just can't hold all the information.
So it's like it's smart.
Yeah.
But it doesn't know everything.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it's going to be amazing at reasoning and figuring things out. But if you need a super specific fact, it might not have it. They found that with this trivia QA test,
which is basically like a trivia test for AI.
Exactly. Like, how much random stuff do you actually know?
So it might not be winning Jeopardy anytime soon.
Maybe not yet. But here's the cool part, okay? They were talking about how one way to get around that, to give it that extra knowledge, is to connect it to, get this, a search engine.
Wait, so give it access to the internet?
Basically, like let it look stuff up on the fly.
Oh, that's interesting.
Right. They even gave an example with Hugging Face. Like, you can actually do this.
Wow. So it's like giving our Pocket AI a little boost.
Right. Like a little helper brain out there in the cloud.
I like it. Okay, so what other challenges came up?
Another big one is languages. Right now, it's mostly English-focused. They've started exploring other languages, especially with PHI 3 Small. They had some interesting results there, but expanding that to more languages, that's definitely
it's a big one.
A big focus for the future.
It's incredible, though. It's like, even with those limitations,
oh, yeah,
it feels like this could really change how we use AI.
Oh, absolutely. I think that's the big takeaway, the future of AI.
Yeah.
It's not these giant, mysterious server farms anymore. It's right here.
Right.
It's personal. It's in our pockets. It's accessible.
It's amazing.
And PHI 3 proves that. Like, we can make AI that's not just big and powerful.
Yeah.
But smart and efficient, too.
Small AI, giant leap. That's the name of the episode, everyone.
There you go.
That's it for today, but this is just the beginning. This tech is going to be huge.
Oh, yeah, we're going to be talking about this for years to come.
And we want to hear from you. What do you think? How would you use this kind of AI? Head us up on social media. Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time.
CLLE.